fired. I want to place it on record so that when I bring my witnesses, it is placed on record to the investigating officer. You are not an independent witness here. You are an investigating officer. There were 3 shots that were fired in that house.
My Lord, as far as I can recall now, I think there are other witnesses, my Lord, who mentioned in their statement that they had 2 shots, others said 3.
Yes.
So right now I'm not sure unless we can maybe draw those statements so that you can be sure.
Kule ndawo engimikuyona ke njengoba ummeli ethi ke sinofakazi ke abashilo kule nkantolo ukuthi ke isibhamu saqhuma kathathu la enginikhona ke ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona ofakazi abathi isibhamu saqhuma kabili kunabanye abathi saqhuma kathathu ngafanele ke manje siyobheka ke lezo statement lezo.
Thank you. And these 3 shots were not fired from the revolver, were not fired from the 9mm pistol. They were fired from a revolver. And that statement, those statements that I gave you, they also confirm a revolver by Brigadier Kininda.
As a court, please, my Lord, this is a question that can be put to a ballistic expert. Colonel Mangena testified about the caliber of the firearm that was used. We submit that that question should be reserved for the ballistic expert.
No, I disagree. Because that evidence is part of the cooking of this case.
So even
Mangani and the rest
also cooked the evidence?
They all cooked this evidence, these investigations.
All right.
Yes, they know who they were protecting. It's a cover-up. Everything is a cover-up here.
My Lord,
If I can take you, ma'am.
I view that as an insult when you say we've cooked. We are not bought to cook something and present it before the court of law. I mean, that will mean that South Africa it's something else in terms of justice. And that's why we are here in this court, so that in order for the evidence that we have to be tried. It's not for your judgment to say the evidence has been cooked.
Akusuwena ke umuntu ongema kule ndawo omekuyona ke uthi ke ubufakazi lokho ubufakazi ke obuphekiwe ke noma ke into nje yonke lena esihlanganyele siyazi ukuthi obani ke thina esibavikelayo. Ngikuthatha lokho futhi ke manje ke uxoxayo noma manje ngenhlaba ke ukuthi masimelana thina ke futhi sipheke ubufakazi.